Hello everybody, this is Ogany Supreme here with another video about how to program in Turing. This time I'm going to be teaching you guys about if scripts. Now if scripts let you choose what certain line of codes run based on a case that exists. So right now I'm trying to make a program that asks for a number, and then after getting that number I tell the user what type of number they entered, if it's positive, negative, or 0. So to do that I would put after get number if number is greater than 0, which means if it's greater than 0 it's positive, obviously. Then this is the equivalent of other languages using the curly brackets. So then I can use the tabs to indent, because indenting makes things neat. You always want to indent. So if number is greater than 0, then put the number is, that's not how I spell it. The number is positive. Now I could go end if and then another if statement for if number is less than 0 for negative. That makes sense. But there's a faster way to do that. Plus, there's a way that saves more lines. And it's simpler. You put else if number is less than 0. Then put the number, why am I messing up today? The number is negative. Like that. Then I can put else if number equals 0, but this takes up time because I notice there's only one other possible case if the number equals 0. So I can put the word else, which means if any other case exists, then put the number is 0. End if. You always want to end it with end if so that it works. Otherwise, if you don't, there was one error. Syntax error at end of file. Expected end if. All that means is put end if. So run. Let's test it. 4, the number is positive. That's correct. Negative 4, the number is negative. That is correct. 0, the number is 0. Okay, program, let's see how smart you are. This program knows what it's talking about, huh? Yeah. Alright, now let's change it up a bit. Let's change the program to do other stuff. So number 2. So then I can put please enter another number. Get number 2. See how I'm using 2 different variables so it doesn't replace the value of the first? So then I can do if number, I don't know, equals 5, then put you rule. Else if number equals 4, then put you rule. Now, if you notice, there's the same outcome for each case, for both cases. So this wastes space. Even though it's 2 lines, when you get into bigger programs, those 2 lines can easily become 2,000 lines. So I'm going to get rid of that. And then you can put or number equals 4. Now, you want to put the variable name there. You don't want to do this. I've done that before because you're thinking in your mind, if number equals 5 or 4, and the computer's not that smart, so you gotta do that. Now let's say else if number equals 3, then if number 2 equals 5, then put you are cool, and if. Now, what it's called to have an if statement inside an if statement, that's called nested structures. Sometimes that's okay, but in this case, it's unnecessary. I can get rid of this whole line and this whole line, like that. First of all, I have to get rid of that extra indent. And I can put and number 2 equals, I think I had 5, then you are cool. It says that. So first of all, let's say 5 and then 7, you rule. Now, if I put 3, so number is 3, and then I put 4, nothing happens because I didn't program that, which is okay. So 3 and then 5, you are cool, because first number equals 3 and the second number equals 5. So that's really it for if statements. If you want, you can subscribe to my channel for more tutorials. I'm Organi Supreme, logging off.